If you have been playing Below the Ocean and you've wanted to speedrun it, you may have come across this jump in Chapter 2, which involves a turtle, and it seems wildly inconsistent and a total roadblock to getting your viable runs. Today I'll teach you how to complete this jump on a consistent basis. This skip is called the Shell Spring. Do not make short form of that. Anyway, it was created by Singular Pretzel, and it's an amazing find. And as you can see, this jump is quite important to actually get viable runs because it saves so much time. Now, breaking this jump down, it has 6 important phases. It has your entry, your setup, your turtle jump number 1, turtle jump number 2, your bubble collection, and then the finale of getting to the next stage. What this tutorial will do is go by each step and explain it fully, and then show you how to bring it all together. You're going to see that not all steps are built the same. So this first step is pretty easy. All you have to do is hit the first half of the turtle to keep it in a good location, then land on the oxygen tank. Now this is where we can gain some consistency in this jump by doing the proper setup. What we do is run slightly past the oxygen tank, jump, turn around, and aim for this ledge. Now from this ledge, we're going to want to do a horizontal jump rather than a vertical jump. A horizontal jump just consists of jumping while facing the wall you're on and then immediately changing your direction to the opposite way. If you need more description on this, click on the video listed at the top of your screen now. What this will allow us to do is bring our tether up to a certain height, which will allow it to rebound to a good position and allow us to complete the jump more often. Now onto the most important jump of this skip, the first time you hit the turtle. So you're going to want to maintain 3 things for this jump. You want to maintain that you got the correct amount of height, that you're going to hit the last third of the turtle, and that you hold for the proper amount of time after hitting this turtle. The correct height is that your tether made it quite a bit above the oxygen tank. Now hitting the last third of the turtle just means hitting the last segment of its shell. To do this, you just hold down at an approximate time, which just comes through trial and error. And lastly, you want to create the bounce in your tether by holding left for the proper amount of time. What you are looking for is that your tether has reached the apex of its downward recoil. As you see this moment, you will then release left and start to hold right. Turtle jump 2 is again another easy step. If everything has worked out before, that means your tether should get caught on this brick and launch you up to this block. All you should have to do is hold right and this will happen. If not, then the results will be skewed. You're now past the most difficult part of this section, but you still have a slightly difficult jump. This will be jumping off this wall and getting up to where the bubble is. First, you want to gain some height on the wall so that your downward momentum is faster while sliding. You now want to turn to the left and jump as your character is 1 body length below the wall. Remember to stop holding down once you've begun to jump. Once you've reached this wall, you just jump 1 more time to collect the bubble and immediately hold back down. Now that you've completed this skip, you can head over with the bubble to the bubble stream and just continue on with the speed run. Small note, you must keep this bubble for a later skip. Now here's everything coming together. When we first hit the first half of the turtle, we hit the oxygen tank, jump and turn around, land on the ledge, and we now gain height in our tether, hit the last third of the turtle, hold back right, our tether gets caught, which launches us up, and then we complete this jump around the brick, collect our bubble, and we go on to continue the level. Thank you for watching, and I wish you luck on your future shell springs. And again, thank you to Singular Pretzel for finding this skip and letting me make this tutorial.